Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about AMP coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the currently price update of AMP coin and what will be the next move of AMP coin. And guys, a lot of people will ask me questions about AMP coin, that why the price are continuously dumping and when there is again possibilities that the price will become positive. So let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly first of all subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos. The current price of AMP coin is about 0.042997 USD dollar. That is the current price of AMP coin. Other side, if you talk about the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the AMP coin, so these all changes is going completely negative. But don't worry guys, very soon you found these all changes positive. Let me show you just the price chart of AMP coin. Now the price of AMP coin is going continuously dumping. You can see very rapidly the price jump in the market. But don't worry guys, very soon the changes of AMP coin you found positive, guys. Very soon, guys. And my prediction is that, guys, that in the beginning of a new month there is 80 to 90% chances that the price of AMP will pump. So guys, just hold. I recommend for all of you holding. Anyways guys, now what's your opinion, what's your prediction about AMP coin? My prediction is 100% positive, guys. So guys, don't decide to sell due to the negative changes. It's a patience time, it's a holding time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.